Hello, I'm Glenn Darling, and I would like to show you just how easy it is to publish an existing Docker container into the Open Horizon ecosystem. And I'm specifically going to be using an IBM Edge Application Manager instance of Open Horizon. And the container that I'm going to publish is this Eclipse Mosquito container, just one of the official Docker examples. And latest version is 169, so I'm going to publish that version. And I'm going to use this repo, the Mosquito Easy Open Horizon, which just makes it easy to publish an existing container. And note that the Mosquito and Eclipse Mosquito, they have nothing to do with each other. That one has two T's, this one has one T. Just a coincidence in naming. So first thing I'm going to do is clone that Git repo and cd into there. And if you browse around on that repo, you can see a README. It has a very clear step-by-step explanation of how to do this and why you're doing each step. But I'm just going to go ahead and do it because it's pretty easy and straightforward. So first thing you do is edit the makefile, and you create a name for your software deployment pattern. I'm going to call it MQTT Glenn. And I'm going to call this MQTT Glenn as well. And then down here, I'm going to change the name of this container to be, that's the Docker container registry reference. And it's not a private registry, so I don't need any container creds. So I'm just going to delete those. And then that's all I need to do there. I do need to do one more thing, though, for the MQTT broker. Down here inside the service name entry, you need to specify any Docker run arguments that you require. So in the example, it publishes port 80 from the host onto port 80 from the container onto the host, but I'm going to fix this to port 1883, which is the insecure port for MQTT brokers, and this to 8883, which is the secure port for the MQTT broker, and then save that, and then I can just go make publish service, and then the Horizon CLI will go ahead and cryptographically sign that container and the deployment string for that container and publish it to the local Open Horizon Exchange. Then I'm going to publish a deployment pattern that just includes that one service. And now that the service and the pattern have been published, all I need to do is go to any one of the edge nodes in the Open Horizon ecosystem that are on this exchange and do make register pattern. And we'll go ahead and register this edge node for that software deployment pattern. And what that is doing is this, that make command is doing this, and it says use HZN agreement list to view the status of agreement making. And over here, I'm watching that command. So I'm running it every 2 seconds in this window. There we go. That means that the Agbot has reached out to propose an agreement to the local agent. And in a few seconds, there we go, the agent has accepted the agreement and finalized it. And then it's downloading the Docker container, and then execution will begin when the Docker container is downloaded and sandboxed. So now you can see in the bottom window where I'm watching Docker PS that the Eclipse Mosquito container is running, and the ports that I published onto the host over here on the right side are published. And that's all there is to that. I hope you enjoy Open Horizon and IBM Edge Application Manager.